Hi, I thought I'll talk about taking a different approach to work and in your business, and that is to have it fun and easy. And I got this idea from going to my daughter's kindergarten class when they were playing, and then at the end, the kids sang the cleanup song, and the teacher made it really easy for the kids to put away their toys by marking the shape of the toy on the shelves. So what if we take that approach of fun and easy into our business? What I'm seeing right now is a lot of 5-day challenges, 30-day challenges, and all that stuff. And that's a great way for your potential clients or your current clients to really know a bit more about you without completely being completely committed. Thanks. Bye.